Do you want to learn this beautiful song on the piano? In only a few minutes, you will. Let's get started. We start by playing all our notes C. And you can find these Cs when you go to a group of two black keys. Take the left one, go to the left. That's C. Again, find the next group of two black keys. The left one again. The white key is C. And the other one is here. And we play these 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. All right, great. Next, we play the upper C with our thumb. And now we play the notes C, D, E, F, G. Also 3 times. C, D, E, F, G. One more time. C, D, E, F, G. Okay, next we play the same notes, but we skip F. And that is harder than it looks like. Let's try it for 3 times. C, D, E, G. Next round. C, D, E, G. One more time. C, D, E, G. Great! Super, super great. The next step, let me play this first because this is even harder. It's the same notes, but we start with pinky finger, thumb, pointer, middle finger. That's it. Let's play this 3 times. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. One more time. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. One last time. G, C, D, E. And if you can, pause the video and try this faster, like this. And if you want, even faster. Also a quick tip, I just press the foot pedal because this makes our notes keep making music. Yeah, and without pedal it sounds like this. With pedal it sounds like this. They are melting so nice together, melting or blending. All right, great, super, super great. Let's go on to the next step. Let me play this first and then we do this together. Wow, that sounds huge, right? And that looks huge, but you will make it in a few seconds. Because all I did was I played these notes 2 times, as we did before. And then I moved my hand 1, 2 notes lower, and I played the same fingers. So let's do this together very slow. Let's start here. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. One more time. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. So now the trick is when we move down, the note that the middle finger plays is now played with the pinky finger. Up. And that's the first exercise. We will make this slower in a second. So I play pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger, pinky finger. If you want, you can only play, yeah, let's do this together. Middle finger, pinky, middle finger, pinky. The same note, E, 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 E. 3 more times. 2, 2. Because this automatically brings your hand in our new position. Yeah. So, and from here, we simply play pinky, thumb, middle finger, pointer finger, middle finger. Yeah, also 2 times. So, the next step will be super hard. It's the hardest part of the entire video. But when you make this, you are already a pro, a small pro. So, let's try this together. You can definitely be super proud. So, pinky, thumb, pointer finger, middle finger. One more time. Pinky, thumb, pointer finger, middle finger. Same note. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. One more time. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. Wow. You can be super, super proud with this. By the way, if you like this, and if you think, okay, I want more support, I do have a free piano course for beginners that's tailored perfectly for beginners. It's a thank you for all my subscribers. So if you're a subscriber, click the link in the description below and you get to my website, werdemusiker.com. And I have a free ebook full of chords and a free piano course. And yeah, as a thank you, it's totally for free. Yeah. And it's super, super fun, I promise. And you can always reach out to me via email and I respond to you. All right. So let's try this again. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. One more time. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. Same note. Pinky finger, thumb, pointer, middle finger. Pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. So let's do this on your own pace. Pause the video a few times. And try to do this as fast as possible, but don't overcomplicate it. Yeah. So I always say it's better to play slow and try it again tomorrow and the other day, and then you will see you will get faster and faster because sleep is your superpower. Okay, the next step is, after we played it from this shape here, we do exactly the same. Middle finger, and now exactly the same note with our pinky finger. And again, thumb, pointer, middle finger. One more time, pinky, thumb, pointer, middle finger. This is exactly our same shape. We start here. 1, 2, middle finger, pinky. 1, 2, middle finger, pinky. 2 times. And the very last note is B. And we play this only once. And this is our entire melody in the right hand. We will add the left hand in a second. So let me play this all together. Middle finger, pinky. And B. All right, super, super cool. So the left hand plays the notes C, A, F, and G. That's it. And we play them much, much slower. And you can play them also here. C, A, F, and C. You can even use only your pointer finger to play all this if you want. And if you want it super, super hard, that's what the pros do. They play both with pinky and thumb. If your hands are large enough, you can try this. By the way, if your hands are not large enough, I do have some tricks in my upcoming videos. Yeah, so it's worth to subscribe only so that you don't miss this out. There are some super powerful tricks for the left hand. And also to play both hands together, because this is one of the biggest challenges. All right, so let's bring both hands together. And we start with both hands together, pinky and thumb. Together, and now the right hand plays alone. That's it. Did you see how long the note was? So together, right, 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 right. But when we switch from middle to pinky finger, we also switch from C to A. E and A together. Let me play this. Together, right, 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 right. Right, right, together. Right, 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 together. F and C. Right, 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 and G and B together. That's hard, right? It looks super easy, but it's harder than it looks. But no worries, I will have great tips in my upcoming videos. So one more time. Right, together. Right, right, together. Together. By the way, for the last note, it helps if you, for a short amount of time, release your fingers and then press them again, because there's some kind of here relaxation, so that your hands are a little more relaxed when they play G and B. Have a look how I stop playing for it. It's just tiny, tiny bit. Did you notice this? Yeah, that's a one small first tip. Okay, when I add the pedal and when I play a little faster, it sounds like this. Yeah, and this is already a super, super advanced melody with advanced techniques, but I tried to make it that it's easy for beginners. Yeah, I always try to teach hard things, but make them easy. So if you like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel also. And if you have subscribed to my channel, don't forget to grab my free piano course as a thank you. I'm so grateful that you're here. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video, which I show you here.